Welcome to today's video. If you're searching for a powerful gaming laptop that blends performance, speed, and reliability, you're going to love this one. We're talking about the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU. This machine is designed for gamers, content creators, and anyone who demands next-level performance. Stay with me for the next few minutes because I'll walk you through the key features, real-world benefits, and why this laptop could be your best investment in 2025. And of course, I'll leave the Amazon link in the description below so you can check out the latest deals and grab one for yourself. First impressions matter, and Acer delivers here. The Nitro V has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a stunning 165 Hz refresh rate. That means smoother gameplay, sharper visuals, and virtually no motion blur, whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or watching cinematic content. The slim bezels and vibrant colors make it equally great for gaming, streaming, and video editing. The backlit keyboard not only looks stylish, but also ensures you can game comfortably even in darker environments. Let's talk performance. This laptop comes with the Intel Core i9-13900H processor, a high-end CPU from Intel's 13th generation lineup. Whether you're running AAA games, multitasking between editing software, or live streaming, the i9 processor ensures buttery smooth performance. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, and you're looking at ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and the ability to run the latest titles on high to ultra settings. From Cyberpunk 2077 to Call of Duty, this system can handle it all. Out of the box, you get 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for gaming and productivity. And if you ever need more, the Nitro V supports upgrades. For storage, Acer packs in a terabyte Gen 4 SSD. That's lightning-fast load times, quick boot-ups, and plenty of room for your growing library of games, projects, and files. This laptop also includes Wi-Fi 6, giving you faster, more stable internet speeds, crucial for online multiplayer gaming and streaming. You'll also appreciate the multiple I/O ports, allowing you to connect external monitors, accessories, or storage devices with ease. And let's not forget the backlit keyboard, which not only enhances the gaming aesthetic, but also improves usability during late-night sessions. Now, how does all of this translate to actual gameplay? With the RTX 5060 GPU, you can expect excellent frame rates at 1080p with settings maxed out. Combined with the 165 Hz display, you'll enjoy a competitive edge in esports titles like Valorant, Fortnite, or Apex Legends. For creators, rendering times are significantly reduced thanks to the i9 processor and NVIDIA GPU acceleration. This makes the Nitro V a solid choice not only for gaming, but also for video editing, 3D modeling, and streaming. There are plenty of gaming laptops on the market, but what makes the Nitro V stand out is its balance of performance, features, and value. It's future-ready, packed with a powerful CPU-GPU combo, and offers modern connectivity like Wi-Fi 6. Plus, with a terabyte of SSD storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that combines raw power, stunning visuals, and long-term reliability, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop ANV15-52-98KV is absolutely worth considering. It's designed for gamers who want speed and performance without compromise. And it's an excellent machine for creators who need powerful hardware on the go. I've included the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Click it to see the latest price, special offers, and maybe even a discount. Don't miss out if you're ready to upgrade your gaming setup in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tech reviews and buying guides. Let me know in the comments what games you'd like to see tested on the Nitro V, or if you're considering other laptops in this category. Until next time, game on.